fact that your private key determines the control of your assets on the chain or in this decentralized public ledger. This is a concept that's extremely important, of course. It's also a concept around which we can, I think, innovate a lot. We have a lot of room there to improve on the ease of use of exactly that aspect. With control comes responsibility. We all say, okay, we don't want the traditional financial system to control the money. Well, somebody has to control it, right? I mean, if it's your money on your account, then you also need to secure it if you don't want anybody else to secure it for you. And that's the concept of the private key. And it's very interesting that we're at this cross-section of wanting to make things extremely easy to use, yet we do not want to compromise on the fundamentals underneath and not just create, a centralized hosted wallet, which, if you lose your password, you just email, right? So that doesn't work that way. So we've so far with the wallet we've developed and the approaches we've taken, try to make it as easy and intuitive as possible. Used tricks such as reminding you in a second and third step to secure this private key instead of throwing at you right at the first moment where you haven't even done anything, right? So basically scale security or safety based on your interaction with the wallet and maybe also even how much you have in it. There's those kind of things, but then there's also research into multi-signature use of multi-sig, as well as social recovery, which we haven't produced any results yet, but things that we know could provide very meaningful solutions to keep things very easy without compromising these fundamentals, which give you a chance to not feel or worry so much when you interact with your wallet, knowing, oh my God, I'm the only one who, what happens if I lose it? What happens if somebody, forces me to give up my private key? How can I mitigate all that? And I think providing this peace of mind to the beginning user as well as the intermediates to just make it really easy, worry-free, is really something that Nimiq is trying to achieve, and specifically with NIM as our currency and coin, since we control the technology underneath, or we're evolving the technology underneath as we for example provide upgrades 2.0 and so on and so forth. We can do it such that the experiences we want to offer the user on top could be optimized based on the technology that we have underneath, because we have we're developing it, right? So it gives us the tools to really do novel stuff. At least that's our hope, and that's what we're doing, and that's why things sometimes just take a lot more time than in the quick